Good morning, students. In the second part of the video, we will discuss that graph of linear equations in two variables. Okay, means how can we draw the graph of linear equations that in two variables. As you know very well that how can we find the solution of a linear equation. So in the previous video we already discussed it that how can we find the solution of a linear equation. So first of all, uh, you have to find the solution of the given equation. Let us take the example. The example is x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, and we have to draw this equation of line on a graph. Okay, so first of all we find the solution of this equation, and you know very well that how can we find the solution. First of all, you may find three maximum three solution. You can find 3 4 जितने मर्जी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, बट मैक्सिमम 3 फाइंड आउट कर लो. ठीक है, उतने में ही हमारा ग्राफ ड्रॉ हो जाएगा. क्लियर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टेक लेट x is equal to 0. When we put x, then we find the value of y. So put here 0 plus y is equal to 7, and y is equal to 7. So our first point is 0 comma 7, means when value of x is 0 then y is 7. Okay, the next is now let y is equal to 0. Okay, so put here y is equal to 0, x plus 0 is equal to 7, x is equal to 7. So the second point is 7 comma 0. Okay, next let x is equal to 1. Okay, so put here 1 plus y is equal to 7, y is equal to 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6. The second third point is 1 comma 6. So now we make the table x y, and we write here when value of x is 0, value of y is 7. Value of x is 7, then value of y is 0. When value of x is 1, then value of y is 6. Okay, so we draw the table. Now we draw the graph. So in this way, first of all we draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this is our y-axis positive and this is a y-axis negative. So this is x-axis and this is also negative x-axis, and this is our origin. Okay, now mark points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 7. Okay, similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, similarly in this side -1 -2 -3 -4 तक सफिशेंट है, क्योंकि हमारी नेगेटिव में वैल्यू नहीं है तो इतना सफिशेंट है. ठीक है, सिमिलरली -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 अप टू सो ऑन. क्लियर. नाउ द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज 0 7. ओके, सो एक्स एक्सिस इज 0, x तो हमारा 0 है और y कितना है 7. दिस पॉइंट इज हियर. ओके, नाउ next is x is 7 and y is 0. So x is 7 and y हमारा क्या है 0. So point is here. Okay, next is x is 1, y is 6. X is 1, y is 6. Okay, this one point. Now we join these points. In this way we join the points, and this is our line x plus y is equal to 7. So in this way we can plot the points on the graph. Let us take the another example. Example is y is equal to 2x. Okay, so we have to draw it on the graph paper. Okay, so first of all we find the solution. Okay, so let us find let x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then put here the value 2 into 0, which is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, y is also 0. Okay. Next is, let us take x is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. Okay. Now let us take that x is equal to minus 1. Then put here y is equal to 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Okay. So points are 0, 0 and 1, 2, and the third is 1, minus 2. Okay. Now we draw the table x, y. When the value of x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 1, y is 2. When x is minus 1, then y is also minus 2. Clear? So now we plot these points on the graph paper. So first of all we draw x-axis and y-axis and write the name, origin, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. So after that we mark the points 1, 2, 3. Okay. Similarly 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so in this way first of all we mark the points. Then first point is 0, 0. So our x-axis is 0, y is 0, it means origin. So this is our point 0, 0. Okay. Second point is x is 1, y is 2. X is 1 here, y2 is here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आ रहा है ना 2, तो इसका यहाँ पे और x का 1 यहाँ पे, तो ये कॉमन पॉइंट आ गया 1, 2. Okay. Third is minus 1, minus 2. So as you see that x is minus 1 is here, and y is minus 2, that is here. Okay. So this is our point minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Now we join these points. And this is our line. Y is equal to 2x. Okay. So in this way we can plot the linear equation in two variables on the graph paper. Here we have the exercise 4.3, and in the first question you have to just draw the graph. Okay, similarly जैसे अभी हमने draw किए हैं तो वैसे ही आपने पहले solutions find out कर लेने हैं और उसके बाद graph draw करना है. ठीक है. So next is give the equations of two line passing through 2, 14. How many more such line are there and why? Okay. So इसमें हमने ये बताना है कि जो दो लाइंस इस सेम पॉइंट में से पास हो रही हैं, ऐसी दो लाइंस हमने कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट इज इफ 3, 4 लाइज ऑन द ग्राफ ऑफ द इक्वेशन दिस, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. सो इन दिस equation you just have to put the value of x and y. Value of x is 3 and y is 4. Okay, so put the values in this equation. From here you get the value of a. Okay, next is the statement. You have to make the statement and then draw the graph. Okay, so next is also very easy. You have to choose the points whose graph is here. ओके, तो इनमें से आपने इक्वेशन चूज़ करनी है जिसका ग्राफ यहाँ पे बन रहा है. क्लियर. तो ऐसे इक्वेशंस हैं, जैसे ये 6, 7, 8 क्वेश्चन भी सेम है, तो आपने इसमें इक्वेशंस बना के ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने हैं. ठीक है. यू हैव टू ट्राई इट विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ एनी सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो डू इट योरसेल्फ. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट इक्वेशंस ऑफ लाइंस पैरेलल टू x axis and y axis. Okay, so We have already studied about that how to write the coordinates of a given point in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so do you know that the points 2 comma 0, 4 comma 0 or n comma 0, okay, for any real number lie in the Cartesian plane. Okay, do you know that these points lie in the Cartesian plane? Yes, all these points lie on the x-axis. Okay, because here y is 0 and x value of x is given. So these points lie on the x-axis. Clear? So similarly, we observe that the equation of x-axis is of the form x comma means every point on the x-axis is of the form x comma 0. Clear? Is it clear that every point on the x-axis of the form x comma 0? Clear? So can you guess the equation of x-axis? From here, can you guess? So note that y is equal to 0, we can express it as 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 0, because answer is y is equal to 0. How? Means 0 into x 0 plus y into 1 y is equal to 0. Clear? So similarly, you can observe that the equation of the y-axis is given by x is equal to 0. Clear? So, let us take the example. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on number line and then on in the Cartesian plane. Okay, so we have the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. First of all, we solve it. Okay, so take x on x terms on one side and a constant term on the other side. Okay, so x is equal to minus 4. Now we draw the number line to represent the solution. Okay, so first of all, you know very well how to represent it on the number line. First of all, we draw the line. Okay, for example, suppose here is r0. Now we take the distance, same distance. So this is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, so our point is x is equal to minus 4. So this is our point, that x is equal to minus 4. So this is our point, x is equal to minus 4. Clear? Now we draw it on the on the graph paper. I draw it on the previous graph paper, but you have to take another one. Okay, don't draw on the same graph paper, but I draw here. So the equation we have that x is equal to minus 4. It means we can write it as x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 4, because here value of because we can write it x plus 0 into y 0 minus 4, so value of x is minus 4. So that's why we can write x is equal to minus 4 as x plus 0 into y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so now we represent it on the number line. Clear? So as you see that value of x is minus 4 and y is 0. Okay, so we draw it. X is minus 4 is here. Okay, so okay, in this way we can draw. because here all the values of y are permissible. Okay, so that's why always y is always 0. That's why from every point its distance is -4. So this is x is equal to -4. Clear? Next we have exercise 4.4. So you have to solve it on the graph paper, and you have to represent the equation in one variable and two variable. So I hope you understood this exercise.